Smell it.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Okay, come on.
Well, I gotta use my knee straight first. Yeah.
Let's tell me to eat the box.
So, here comes Timmy.
Okay, here comes Timmy. Here comes Timmy. Give me it. Whoa, good boy.
It's all about enrichment.
It's all about enrichment.
You have to work in the wild to get it.
Yeah.
But now here, it's
I have to work for it.
Yeah, we all do. And you got it. His cheeks are flushed from me holding him, squeezing on him. Once again, makeup on for the camera. His blush.
Yeah.
Okay. So put this one home with me. My birds are going to stay at home tomorrow. They're down on the bottom.
Right.
And then the key will be how destroyed is this when I get home.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Like, stick some food in there and then... I haven't given it, I've given it to birds while we've been here and there's been a lot of activity, but nobody's had it. It's been left alone.